Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study maths chapter 12 algebraic expressions exercise 12.4. Students, first question has given observe the patterns of digits made from line segments of equal length. You will find such segmented digits on the display of electronic watches or calculators. Part A has given required number of segments to draw one figure are 6. Next, required number of segments to draw two joint figure are 11, and required number of segments to draw three joint figure are 16. So the pattern is 5n plus 1. Here n means number of figure. Okay, here is one figure, so 5 into 1 plus 1, 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 6. Here is two figure, so 5 into 2 plus 1, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11. Here is three figure, so 5 into 3 plus 1, 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16. Okay, now part B, required number of segments to draw one figure are 4. Required number of segments to draw two joint figure are 7, and required number of segments to draw three joint figure are 10. So the pattern is 3n plus 1. Okay, n is number of figure. So 3, here is one figure, so 3 into 1, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4. Here is two figure, so n is equal to 2, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. Here is three figure, so 3 into 3 plus 1, 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10. Okay, similarly part C has given required number of segments to draw one figure are 7. Required number of segments to draw two joint figure are 12. Required number of segments to draw three joint figure are 17. So the pattern is 5n plus 2. Here n is number of figure. Here is one figure, so 5 into 1, 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 7. Here is two figure, so 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12. Here is three figure, so 5 into 3 plus 2, 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 17. Okay, if the number of digits formed is taken to be n, the number of segments required to form n digits is given by the algebraic expressions appearing on the right of each pattern. How many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digits of the kind 6, 4 and 8? Okay, now see the solution. Solution of question number first, part A, the number of segments required to form 5 symbols of 6 is equal to, the pattern is given 5n plus 1. Okay, here n is equal to number of symbols. How many symbols? 5 symbols. So now write 5 at the place of n. 5 into 5 plus 1, 5 5 is 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Okay, similarly the number of segments required to form 10 symbols of 6 is equal to 5n plus 1. Here n is equal to 10. 10 symbols is equal to 5 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 5 10 ja 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. Similarly, the number of segments required to form 100 symbols of 6 is equal to 5n plus 1. Here n is equal to 100. Okay, is equal to 5 into 100. Write 100 at the place of n plus 1 is equal to 100 5 ja 500 plus 1 is equal to 501. Similarly, part B has given the number of segments required to form 5 symbols of 4 is equal to 3n plus 1. It is the pattern. Now write 5 at the place of n, because here is 5 symbols. Okay, n is equal to 5. is equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 is equal to 3, 5 ja 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay. Now part B, the number of segments required to form 10 symbols of 4. The pattern is 3n plus 1 is equal to 3 into 10, n is equal to 10 symbols. Okay. So write 10 at the place of n. 3 into 10 plus 1, 3 10 is 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. The number of segments required to form 100 symbols of 4 is equal to, pattern is given 3n plus 1. Here n is equal to 100. Okay, is equal to 3 into 100 plus 1. 3 10 ja 300. Sorry, 300 ja 300 plus 1 is equal to 301. Okay. Similarly, you can solve part C as homework. Okay. Now question number 2 has given, use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of number pattern. First expression has given 2n minus 1. Okay. If n is equal to 100, then find the value of 2n minus 1. Similarly, second expression has given 3n plus 2. Okay. If n is equal to 5, 10 and 100, then find the value of 3n plus 2. Okay. Similarly, find the value of 4n plus 1. If n is equal to 5, 10 and 100, find the value of 7n plus 20. If n is equal to 5, 10 and 100. And at last, find the value of n square plus 1 if n is equal to 5 and 10. Okay. Now see the solution. Solution of part 1 of question number 2. First expression has given 2n minus 1. Putting n is equal to 100 is equal to 2 into, write 100 at the place of n. 2 into 100 minus 1 is equal to 100 2 ja 200 minus 1 is equal to 199. Okay. It is answer. Next expression 3n plus 2. Putting n is equal to 5 is equal to 3 into, write 5 at the place of n plus 2 is equal to 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay. Now putting n is equal to 10. Okay. In 3n plus 2 is equal to 3 into, write 10 at the place of n plus 2. 3 10 ja 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Now putting n is equal to 100 in the same expression, 3n plus 2. Okay, 3 into 100, right? 100 at the place of n plus 2 is equal to 100. 3 ja 300 plus 2 is equal to 302. Okay. So the solution is 17, 32 and 302. Okay. If we put n is equal to 5, then the value of 3n plus 2 is 17. If we put n is equal to 10, then the value of 3n plus 2 is 32. If we put n is equal to 100, then the value of 3n plus 2 is 302. Similarly, you can solve part 3, 4 and 5 as homework. Okay. Thanks.